Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing opportunities for people who are looking entry level jobs. Today in this video I'll be sharing a sheet containing 80 plus jobs like for different roles for sales, marketing, technology, other design, finance, and many more roles. Once you have these companies name, you can visit to these companies website. From there you can find other roles jobs. So don't skip this video to know how you can use this list. Okay, before starting the video, if you're new to this channel and you're looking for off-campus placement, previously I have shared many lists, many startups list, many placement material. Like recently I have shared top MNCs in India with their career portal where you can find hundreds of jobs, LinkedIn profile. Okay, also 200 plus remote internships which is open now, and I have also told how to use this list, so go check it out. And many more lists like startup list of recently funded list containing 6,000 which are recently funded worldwide. You can also get the list of Bangalore like using the filter in the sheet. Okay, similarly many online coding question material, aptitude material, DSA material, you will get all for your placement preparation. Go check it out. And if you need any particular resource, do comment on the video. I'll try to curate for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Coming back to our video, in today's video, I'll be sharing a sheet containing 80 plus direct job opening links, remotely, totally remote, uh, maybe location based also, but yeah, there's option for remote as well. So now how you can use this sheet, how you can, before starting like this these opportunities curated by David Pekin. He basically share job updates remotely or mainly on Substack. So I'm resharing with you guys so that you can also utilize this. You can follow him on Substack because he regularly share. So I'm just resharing so that it can be helpful for you also. Also, I'm telling the ways how you can use this resource. Okay, so credit goes to him. Yeah, so directly with the job link you can apply. Okay, now you have the company name. Okay, they are hiring for this role, and you if you're and here these are remote hiring companies. Okay, so now you have the list of remote hiring companies. So if you can't find your role related jobs, so what you can do, just copy the company name and open on Google. You will get the company website, and from here you can find the career section basically on footer or nav bar. So let us check if we have, yes, here jobs. So in the job sections you can find all roles jobs. That was a specific for one, but here you can find like other roles. Okay, these are the roles. So similarly, like here are technology-based sales role, finance, consulting, and many more roles. You can just directly visit the website. From here, you can just apply for the jobs, entry-level quality analyst training and placement. Okay, these are the requirements. You can directly apply for this role. If not found your role, you just have to copy the company name. Okay, on Google, open their website, go to job section. Here you get the job section, career section. These are the roles like data scientist, software quality, junior computer system engineer, validation engineer, lead QA analyst, and many more. Also, the other way is to send them cold email that you are looking for remote, that you are looking for jobs, and telling about yourself how can be a good fit, because you will get the email basically on their contact us page or in footer. Here you have in the navbar itself. So it's well and good. So this is the one way. Now another way, you can visit to their LinkedIn. On their LinkedIn you can find the list of job openings if they have their LinkedIn attached. No issues, like just go to LinkedIn and here search the company name. So yes, this is the company, and here in the job section you can find the list of job openings. Okay, they have not listed, so no worries. Also, you have the company name. You can ask referral from the employees. So these are the company, these are the people who are working in this company, and from them you can ask referral. Also, you can reach out to HR, asking or inquiring uh, for any jobs, or requesting them to consider your application. Okay. So similarly, you have 80 plus companies list for different roles. For example, if you're looking for finance role, just copy the company name. You can apply directly with this link for this role. But to find more roles, this is for the business analyst. Okay. For more roles, just go to the Google and here search it. Here you get the company website. From the company website you can find the, okay, it's temporarily unavailable, no issues. Okay, yeah, that was strong link. Here you can find the career section. From the career section you can find internship jobs, whichever the link, all the jobs, senior research and development engineer, and many more. And once, you can also get to their LinkedIn. On LinkedIn, I'm not posting for you. You can search the company, and from here you can find the job section and apply. So these are the roles for which they are hiring. Okay. So similarly, visit every company, because these are remote hiring. So inquire about for your role, like if you get the job link, then you can apply directly or send them cold email or connect with employees, recruiters. So yes, if this video was helpful, thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. Don't forget to share your views in the comment section.